Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club. Today we're going to get those upper control arms put on and the diff drop kit. So let's get into that. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. On this channel we're going over Tundras, we're going on Tundra upgrades, and we're talking about everything off-road. So if you're into that type of thing, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, hit that bell icon so you don't miss another video. So we did the unboxing of the diff drop kit, and you know, it's very, very simplistic. And then we have these monstrous upper control arms. I mean, these things are beefy. I mean, take a look at this. This is beefy. I'm so excited to get these put on. I'm excited for the performance that I have in my head that I'll get out of them. Because I mentioned that we're going out to the desert this weekend, I wanted to make sure that I stopped delaying this process and get these bad boys slapped on. So one, I can review the product, and two, be able to show you guys some differences between the stock and the aftermarket, and you know, just get some good footage and bring you guys some good material. So instead of me trying to crawl under and do it myself and take several hours, I'm gonna go take it to a local shop. I'm gonna have them slap it on, have them do the alignment, and you know, we'll get into that. I'm hoping that they're going to allow us to film some of the process, especially that diff drop kit. I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of emails about filming that process. So I'm gonna see what I can do for you. Again, it's gonna be, you know, their rules, but yeah, stay tuned. We're going to get into that. We're going to the shop right now to get this stuff installed. All right, so we're out here in the Imperial County. We're going to check to see if our boys over at Elite Motorsports can go ahead and set us up with those Camburg upper control arms. All right, we are back. We just got done with the install of the new upper control arms and the diff drop kit. So we weren't able to film the entire thing, which I totally get, just for safety reasons and that's being their shop. But if you guys are in the neighborhood and you're heading out to Glamis Sand Dunes, maybe Superstition, make sure you come over to Elite Motorsports in El Centro, located off 128 North 4th Street. These guys just took care of me. Quick, easy, great prices, and I guarantee that you're gonna love their customer service. So right now, we need to go over and get this vehicle aligned properly. So we're gonna go do that now, and then we're gonna be ready for the desert. Truly excited to see how these things do off-road, and I know that we're gonna get a lot of good footage on it, and we'll be able to see the stock versus the aftermarket. So that should be coming up. Stay tuned, and I'll check back in with you guys as soon as we get done with that alignment. All right, so here's an important tip you're gonna need to know if you go with this setup and go with the Camburg upper control arm. So we're here at the alignment shop, and they let me know that there's just no more caster they can give it. So he brought me inside the bay and he was showing me that he's at max caster, and that he even suggested that maybe I had the control arm flipped upside down, which is impossible because Camburg labels it driver side up, passenger side up, pretty easy. However, this is an important note. Do not have your alignment done to factory specs. What you want, I actually called Justin over at Camburg Industries. Awesome dude, really helped me out. He said that you want, with this setup, maximum caster to the point where there's no more caster. The alignment should be closest to zero within spec, and the toe should be within spec. But if you take it to an alignment shop and they try to go to factory settings, it's not gonna work because the Camburg will force you to give it max caster, but that's a good thing per Camburg and how they set this thing up. So that's an important tip you should know. So today was a learning experience. Overall, you know, we got the upper control arms in and went over to the alignment shop, which was desperately needed, and we learned a lot. We learned about the design of the Camburg unit and the caster that they desire. But one of the things we do have a problem with, small, it's a little less than half a degree off, but the toe angle of my alignment is about a half a degree off in the negative. I'm gonna have to look for fixes on that. I've heard things as far as cutting the tie rod down to 3/4 of an inch can help, but I'm curious about aftermarket tie rods that might have to come into play. But yeah, it took longer than expected, but we're done. We're now gonna go fuel up, go grab the trailer, and head out to the desert to test these things out. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video, which one will be on the before and after of the Camburg upper control arms and the diff drop kit. And then we'll also hopefully be able to put together some good off-roading footage and just have just some fun out there. So until next time, we'll catch you guys in the back roads.